Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I have a very important video for you guys. Now you know that the Gmail account is the most important online account in our life, because with this Gmail account you have access to other accounts. So it is the worst thing that someone hacked your Gmail account. So basically, if someone hacked your Gmail account, they can also hack other accounts which you logged in with the help of Gmail. In this video, I will talk about that what security tips you have to follow to keep your Gmail account safely. In this video, I will talk about all the things what you need. So don't skip any part of this video, because if you skip any part, then you will surely miss some important thing. So watch this video full. And before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, then also subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified of my future videos. So without further delay, let's jump into our main topic. Alright guys, so you can see here that this is my Gmail account. Okay, and to protect your Gmail account, you have to do some settings and things. You can see this is the icon, and you click here and you just manage your Google account. So just click here, and this is the dashboard. This is the settings, the all Google account settings you can see here. And basically you have to go to the security, right? So security tab, you have to go there, and all the settings you have to do here. Now see carefully one by one that which settings you should use. Now the main important setting is that two-step verification. So you can see this is currently turned off. So what is actually two-step verification? Okay, just I'm clicking here once. Okay, so basically two-step verification is when you log in, when you try to log in your Gmail account. So not only you have to give the password, but you will get a prompt in your mobile phone also. Okay, maybe it may be some code, okay, through the text message, or some notification when you have to just click OK and confirm a code. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys the complete process to enable the two-step verification. Okay, so for doing that, you have to just go here. So two-step verification. And here you can see that here some instruction that what is the two-step verification. Okay, and now just click get started, and enter your password to confirm that it's you really. And now you can see this is a code. Now you can see that this Gmail, I have connected this Gmail to my Android mobile phone. So some Android message I will receive in my mobile phone, and you can see here this is the Android mobile phone, and this message I have received. The device is from Windows 10 or whatever. Okay, and this is the location, and so I have to just click yes, it's me. And I have to confirm the code. So here is 86. So in the phone, I have to also click 86. By this way, you can verify your phone. Now you can see it is just telling that these devices will get prompt. So two devices I have connected with this Gmail. Okay, and so just click continue. And now I have to enter my mobile phone. This is actually additional backup option. Okay, and you can see if you lose your phone, so this is the second step. Okay, so basically you have to confirm your mobile number. And how you can get code? So just a text message option. Okay, this is I think convenient. So just send the text message. So my phone will receive a text message, and you can see that. Alright, and you can see I have received my text message here. You can see that. Alright, so I have to enter this code. Okay, so I'm just entering this code. So G hyphen 036774. So I have entered the code and just click next. So it is validating the pin. Okay, now all things are ready. Okay, so basically turn on two-step verification. So second step is Google prompt, backup option is voice or text message. So all the recovery options, okay, you are getting here, and these are the devices. Okay, so turn it on. Okay, now you can see my two-step verification is turned on. Now if you need, basically anytime you can turn off your two-step verification. Now suppose you don't have access to your phone, that means your phone has lost or whatever, or suppose your battery is dead. Okay, so how can you recover your Gmail account? So this comes into the play, backup codes. Okay, so some backup codes Google provide you, and you can see. Okay, so so get backup codes. So you can see these are the codes, okay, for this Gmail. So basically these codes are very important, and you have to keep it secretly. Okay, don't disclose these codes because these codes can be used to recover this Gmail account. So these codes are very important. Okay, no mobile, nothing is needed, only you have to remember these codes. So basically I have to print these codes, or I have to write these codes in a secret place, right? So that is very interesting way to recover your Gmail account. All right, so and another thing you can see, this is you must put your recovery phone and recovery email address. These two things are very important. Suppose someone has hacked your Gmail account and you are getting notification of hacking. So that what you have to do, basically, so you have to just reset your Google password by through your recovery phone or recovery email address. So you must put this recovery phone number and email address. Okay, this will be very helpful to restore your account. Now suppose your hacker has opened your account in some computer. So how will you know that? So basically you can see here that your devices, so these are all the devices where your account is logged in. So I am just going to manage all devices, so that I will get the list of all devices. So all sessions you can see here. So currently my session is this in the Windows system, in the Firefox web browser, you can see, and this is also another one, and this is another one. And also in the Android phone, you can see I have 3 sessions, and all these things are my mobile phones. Okay, so basically, and if you notice some suspicious thing, that means the device is unknown to you. So basically you have to just logged out of that device. Okay, and what how you can do that? So I'm just showing you guys. So basically suppose this is not your account. Okay, so you will just click here, and you can see you have to just sign out. Okay, so that after signing out, you must change your password. Okay, so basically, and also you can find your device from here. Okay, that's where your mobile phone is, or where this mobile phone is. Suppose this mobile phone is unknown to you, and you can also track that device. Now some tips you have to follow to avoid the hacking of your Gmail account. Okay, so first of all, actually don't expose your email too much. That means don't give your email here and there. Okay, because some data breach can happen with this email. And also put a secure password. Okay, and be aware of phishing attack. I have already made a video on the phishing attack, that how hackers spoof some popular web page such as Google or Facebook, and they just prompt to enter the password and username. Okay, and you are just hacked. Okay, so you can watch that video by clicking the I button there. Okay, so basically and always, and the number 2 is you always use VPN if you are using some unsecured Wi-Fi, unknown Wi-Fi or free Wi-Fi, so you must use a VPN. Of course, paid VPN is really great, okay, but if you don't have, you can use free VPNs too. Now another important thing you have to just do, I'm just showing you guys. So you can see signing into other sites. So you can see signing it with Google. So if you click here, so you can see these are the accounts where I just logged in using the Google account. Okay, so basically these accounts are logged in through my Google account. And suppose if you see any service or any website that you can't trust, or it is unknown to you, that you haven't used in early days, so basically it may be some scammers account. Okay, so you must turn off the permissions. Okay, so suppose I'm just clicking here the root account. Okay, and you can see that this account has access to my basic account info. Okay, and I don't want to use this account right now. Okay, so I will just remove the access. Okay, and just click OK. So whatever account you actually don't need, you can just remove the access of your account. But another thing I just want to show you guys, that this is my Gmail account, and you can see if you come here, and you can see here in the corner some details. So when you click here, a new window will open, and you can see the recent activity of the Gmail account. Okay, so from which IP address, you can see here from which IP address your Gmail account has accessed. Okay, so all the information you can see with that time. If you notice some suspicious activity, okay, you have to change the password immediately. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video and if it is helpful to you, then make sure you like the video and share to your friends, and also subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified of my future videos. I will make a lot of interesting videos in future, definitely. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.